and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have the gentleman's box. This is just under $30, $29.99 or something like that. And it is a box for the savvy man. So, you know, men that like to dress up to go out, or if they have to dress up to go to work or whatever, that's what this box is made for. Just real quick, there is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. It's a milestone giveaway trying to get to 3K. Multiple winners, 3 winners for 3K. And I don't know, just help me get there. I'm looking forward to like shipping this stuff out. Really, I am. Let's get into the gentleman's box. So you open it up and it's always a trifold dealio. And let's see. This is a thank you to healthcare professionals. And this is June's box. And you do get prices with this, so let's take a peek. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out here is an envelope, and it says St. John's, but it's cologne. It's St. John's fragrance. And it's just a little fragrance sample. It's just a little fragrance sample, so I don't know. We'll try that later. I'm not going to spray it in here because there are a lot of men's colognes that I don't care for. So I'm not going to spray it in this room to smell it. I'm just not gonna. That retail, oh, that doesn't say what it retails for because it's just a sample. Makes sense, right? The next thing I am pulling out are little travel wipes. That's cool. Toss those right in my purse. These do not retail for anything either, so they're just little samples. Cool. The next thing I am pulling out is this tie that is striped, red, silver, and blue, but you know, red, white, and blue. It'll work. It works. And then, oh, and the tie retails for $30. I like it. It's, I don't know how much use he'll get out of it just because, I don't know. It just kind of reminds me of politics, I guess. And so I don't know how much he would actually wear these out, but the next thing I'm pulling out are the socks, and I do really like the socks. I think that those are cool. And those retail for $15. The next thing I'm pulling out is a pocket square, and that is a nice design too. This retails for $22. I can definitely see him getting use out of that. And then last but not least, a watch that retails for $40. Let's take a peek at it. He usually wears more expensive watches than this, so I don't know. It needs wound. It's not working. I don't know how much use he'll actually get out of this watch. I mean, he might like it. I don't know. But he generally wears, well, there's a couple of watches that he wears. But anyway, there is that. I mean, it's a nice watch. And it feels like it's has a nice leather band. So hopefully he likes it. I don't know. So this box, I feel, was a decent box. I don't feel like it was bad. Short and sweet video. I don't know how much use, I mean, he'll definitely get use out of the socks. I don't know how much use he'll get out of the tie. I might let him wear it if I wear a red dress or a blue dress or a silver dress. But I don't know. I don't think he'll wear it too much just because of the reasons I stated earlier. He'll definitely get use out of the pocket square. So that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it was super short, super sweet. But I hope it took you out of your space for a little while today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.